Hello guys, it's me again, and I did the wall done, the first floor only, and cause it took so long, I just did it without filming it, cause I didn't understand what's the point of it. So what was I gonna say again? Don't remember. Shit. Okay, now I need to turn the rain off. Serious lag. And sorry about my videos. I will quit soon and then get back again because I need to buy a camera. That will stop the lag. So let's get started. Vakna mellan dina lår. Just look at the wall. So look, it's so beautiful. You don't know why it's so. Wait. Options, video settings. Oh fuck, I got far. Why? What was standing there? Okay, I think I would have it like this. Oh, much better. Maybe I don't need to buy a camera. Okay, maybe. I will get the camera within maybe December one time. I think this will be my almost last video for this month. It's not long. Because I think it's the 26th or something. I don't remember. Okay, wait. I think I will turn it a little bit more down. A little bit. Little bit. Hey, dude. I think just my phone rang, but I won't take it. Because I don't give a fuck. Actually, I want to take it because I like phone. I like it. Oh, baby. Get to break. Why do I have a computer? Seriously, I don't know. But we'll figure out something. I also will make a pool and maybe a little market outside the hotel. Or actually, it's a big building. Then like this. Where's the big X? Oh, the death point. I died there in my, I think it was part 4. And I lost the building, but I got it back. So, no danger. Relax. Fricka like me, hey, fricka like me. Fricka like me, fricka like me. We'll make it like. Take a second look and you'll see there is no one like me. There is no one like me. Let me tell you about a story. Everybody get around. What's the boy with the coolest kid in? Why is it so lag right now? I turn it off to tiny. What the fuck? There you go. My name is Luigi, bitch. Okay, so right now. Okay. I think that's enough. Hello? Just wait a little bit. I'm sorry, guys. It was my grandmother. And she asked if I will visit her, but I said no, because I'm filming right now and it would kind of suck if I need to. It's back again. There you go. There. It's like this. I think I'm done. That just looks so ugly. Was that anybody? Better? Together? What the fuck?